from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This is the Fireplace, Summer Fireplace collaboration. The host is Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie, and the co-host is V from V's Interior Design. This is our mantel. For this summer, I chose the peach theme. In 2020, we had an apple orchard, and we decided to raise something new, and we added a couple peach trees. And this year we added a few more. We liked them so well. So I thought, since we have a little peach orchard coming, I would do my mantel in peaches this year. I was just looking at an ad. A bushel of peaches in my area this summer is going to be $100 a bushel. And last year, we got a bushel of peaches. Just enough for us. So this is our theme. And I'll do a closer view and where you can find the birdie. Okay, here's our arrangement. It's pink and purple, and it's got orange roses. I love the orange roses. Look how pretty those are. It's got purple hydrangeas, a little pink lavender, and then I put beads down the spout, like water running down the pitcher. And then I added, of course, peaches with a sign that says, "You're a peach." And I added my truck with peach roses in it and ranunculus. And then the garland is lamb's ear. And then I added my 2 cloches that has birds on the top. So I'm in the bird theme. And inside they have butterflies and a little lily.